Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the Skytech Aqua pre-built gaming desktop, a system that blends strong performance with a clean, eye-catching design. Inside, it's powered by the AMD Ryzen 77800X3D, boosting up to 5 GHz for excellent gaming and multitasking performance. Whether you're streaming, editing, or running demanding titles, it stays fast and responsive. Graphics come from the RTX 5070 with 12 GB of VRAM, delivering smooth frame rates at high settings in modern games. At 1440p, gameplay feels fluid and detailed, making it a great option for competitive and AAA titles alike. You also get 32 GB of DDR5 RAM at 6000 MHz and a 1TB Gen 4 NVMe SSD, which means quick boot times, fast load screens, and seamless switching between apps. The 360mm ARGB liquid cooler keeps temperatures stable during long sessions while adding a stylish glow through the tempered glass panels. Overall, the Skytech Aqua delivers powerful hardware, smooth gaming performance, and a polished build in one ready-to-run package. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.